Welcome to this video on this, that, these, and those. So, how and when do you use this, that, these, and those in English? If you speak some English, I'm sure that you already use some of these words in your speech. But do you know how or why? Let's look together. So it depends on if you are talking about a singular, one item, or if you are talking about a plural noun, which would be a group of things, more than one. It also depends how close you are to the object or objects. For example, up here, it says, this is an apple. This is singular, so we have one apple. We're also touching the apple. We're very close to it. This is an apple. It's close to you, and you can show what you are talking about. In this example, there is more distance between you and the apple. That is an apple. You are pointing to the apple, but it is further away from you. Still singular, but further away. That is an apple. Now, if you are talking about a plural noun, we use these or those. These are apples. There are 3 apples. This is plural. And we are very close to them. These are apples, or these apples are mine. I can touch them. I am close to them. In this picture, we are further from the apples. Those are apples. We are pointing to them, but they are further away. Those apples are delicious. Let's look at some examples together. This water bottle is mine. It is one water bottle, it is singular, and I am close to it. So this water bottle is mine. These pencils are for the students. I have a group of pencils, which is plural, but I am close to them. So I'm going to use these. These pencils are for the students. That phone is new. I am further from the phone. There is some distance, but it is one item. It is singular. So I will use that. That phone is new. And finally, there is some distance between me and the scissors. Those scissors are from the school. It is a plural noun. Scissors is a group of more than one scissor. And we are further from them. So those scissors are from the school. Okay? Thank you for watching this video.